Good morning. Oh my gosh, it is freezing cold today. Oh, this is my first video on my new phone. So we'll see how that goes. Make sure I got all my settings set up right. All that, I guess we'll see. My eyes are watering because it's so cold, and I've been outside walking Sammy and picking up lights, moving, and oh goodness. All right. Oh, turn that back on. I don't know why you do. Oh my goodness. We'll see what my truck says. It says 37 right now, but I don't know if it needs to run for a little bit for that temperature to be accurate or not. But boy, this heated steering wheel feels good. Yeah. So this is the time of Quartzsite is a nightmare. And I talked about parking in the video yesterday, I guess, when I went to Parker. We got some new neighbors right across from us, so maybe they're just here during the big tent. But yeah, so we get there early so we can get a decent parking spot. So we try to do that every day. And this morning, after we park, we're not going to go right to the booth. I'm going to fix breakfast burritos, I think, today. I looked at new phone mounts. I don't like them standing up so high. This one's on a magnet, so it doesn't. I think this phone is heavier too. But anyway, I'm gonna get off here and I will see y'all when I make your breakfast. So I'm gonna fix breakfast burritos. So I have 4 of these sausages left. So I'm gonna use 2 of those. And I have 2 eggs. Well, I have 3. I'll have to see if I need 2 or 3. Some sriracha sauce and some cheese and some tortillas. So it's a breakfast burrito kind of morning. And yes, it was 37 all the way the temperature, so it didn't change. Well, hi, Sammy. All right, let's get cooking. Just gonna cut these up in bite-sized pieces. Sammy, no, that's hot. Are you thirsty? Hang on. Got the heater going. Okay. That's not what she wanted. She just wants down here by the sausage. She says, I'm no fool, Mama. I'm no fool, Mama. Some weird lighting and I can't figure out why. Because the sun's not up yet. Coming through the window. You have some weird lighting on you too. What? You eat breakfast? Yeah. I know. I'm working on it. So I am going to brown this up, warm it up and brown it up really good, and then I'll put the eggs in there. That's the problem. The sun is over there. Alright, add a little bit of cheese. The other way. Tuck. And roll. Pull it back a little bit and roll. Alright. put it in the foil until Deborah gets here. Then we'll eat breakfast. We're going to eat inside today. It's so cold.
Oh my God, he's going to be so excited. Take a picture. Some of our fans stop by. We watch them every day. Thank you.
They watch him every day.
Thank you.
Okay, this is what I'm talking about. No parking. They've knocked down the rope and they're all parking there. And look at this. I guess they can get out, technically. Thank goodness that that car did that. Let's see, Deborah can still get out. I can still get out. But technically these two cars right here are not in a parking spot. They just, I can't believe. I know. Get off my rank. I think this guy parked here yesterday. At least he didn't block my door. That's why I park on the end, so I can get into my camper. There you go. Just knock down the rope and then you can park there. Oh. And turn it around. Yeah. Okay, so we don't want to miss out on the fair food. Everything they have to offer, but we don't want to pay the prices. So today we're having, they're not chili cheese, but they're cheese dogs with nacho cheese on top. So we're still going to feel like we're at the fair. Oh, and I have no mustard. I might not have any mustard in there either. I have another one of those packs. Let me see if I have mustard in it. Ah, I think I see a mustard in there. So, at least one mustard. I should have a lot of ketchup. Yeah, there's some mustard in there. So, it is cheesy. This might be a fork and knife meal. So, I did get some of these containers right here. So, let's fix a hot dog with some nacho cheese. Okay, I put a little topper on there so they could kind of steam. I think they're steaming. Oh yeah. Nice. All right. Let's see if I can get it from there to there. Ooh, those look pretty good. I'm going to put, it's that cheesy. Put a little bit of this on there and then the melted cheese, the nacho cheese. And I only had one mustard, so sparingly on the mustard. Okay. There's the chili dogs. I want to call them chili. I should have done chili cheese. These are cheese dogs. Let that sit there for a minute and I'll fix the other one. That's pretty good. So our neighbor's over here that has these spinners, he loves to bake in his barbecue pit thing. So he brought us some muffins. He brought us chocolate chip cookies the other day. And that's Rice Ranch during the RV show. Packed. And then this is the LTVA on the east side during the RV show. We're turning into the LTVA north now. End of day 3. Start losing count. But there's been 0 rain, and I say 0. That spit the other day, and I might have mentioned that, but it is so dusty, and it's such a fine dust that you don't realize it. You can't be good for your lungs. I can tell you that. But when we take the books and stuff off the table, which we did today, because on day 4 we're not going in because the winds are supposed to be really bad. So we just shut everything down and actually put everything in the tent. And you know, we don't normally, we'd kind of do a minimal shutdown during the show, but when it's gonna be bad weather or wind or rain, then we put everything in the tent and buckle it down, literally. And the tarp and the canopy. And where was I going with this story? Oh, when we were taking everything off the table, there's just outlines of where the books were and where the rocks were sitting and where the plants, because it's just a fine dust that lands on everything. So tomorrow's going to be really bad, so we're going to take advantage of the day off. Hopefully go do laundry. I'll go ahead and dump and get water and then be ready for Tuesday. You see just the fine dust. I mean, we're just going crawling 5 miles an hour and it's just dusty. But you know what? When you're in the desert, it's dusty. There's a sign back there coming into the north that says Dusty Road. It's like, you think? You're in the desert.